Today, let's make this sweet and sour tangy raw mango chutney. This signature summer delicacy is a must-try recipe for you all. Made from freshly harvested green mangoes, it's spiced up with a delightful blend of herbs and spices that will tantalize your taste buds. Enjoy it with your favorite meal or as a snack you won't regret it. And in this summer, this is the third variety I am making. Hello and welcome back to my channel Cooking Story, and this is Smita. So let's begin today's recipe raw mango chutney from scratch. And now let's check the ingredients. And the ingredients are salt, pachforan, red chili whole, bay leaves, some more pachforan and red chili for the foran, next sugar, and our raw mangoes. Over here I will use the mangoes with the skin. Now let's begin. First of all, let me show you how to cut the mangoes. First of all, you need to take any raw mango which is available in your near market. Then wash it and dry it. After that, cut the mangoes into half lengthwise. Discard the seed. Then cut half into two thick pieces vertically. No need to peel the mangoes. You can discard the peel from the sides of the seeds and cut into freshly part of the seeds for the chutney and then discard the stone. Some people add the whole seeds along with the peel into the chutney, but I don't like to remove it. Now it's done. Next, on the other side, next in a heated pan, add 3 to 4 red chili whole, 2 to 3 bay leaves, and 1 tablespoon of fennel seed. Then dry roast for 2 to 3 minutes in a medium-high flame or until it turns fragrance, as we are making roasted masala for this raw mango chutney. Do you know that in Bengal there are different varieties of mangoes are available? And naturally, we Bengalis use the most of it by consuming mangoes in every possible ways. Maybe it mango cooked in lentils, grilled mango drink, mango mustard dip, or other popular things to cook with fresh raw mangoes. Now our roasted masalas are well done. Remove it from the pan and place it into a mixer grinder and make a fine paste. Once you are done, keep on the side for the later part of the recipe. Next, in a large pan, add 2 teaspoons of mustard oil, and once the oil heat up, then add half teaspoon of panchforan and 2 red chili whole to temper it. And then stir it for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, add the raw mangoes. Over here in this recipe today, I am using 1.5 kilo of raw mangoes, as I am making it for 30 people. After adding the mangoes, stir it for a few seconds. Then reduce the flame and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. You will see the mangoes will start releasing water from it. After a few minutes, you will see the mangoes have reduced a bit and water start to release from the mango. At this point of time, we need to add sugar. As I am using 1.5 kilo of mangoes, I will add 750 grams of sugar, though you can always reduce or increase the level of sugar according to the tanginess of the mangoes. After that, add half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder for the color. Next, again, in a very low flame, cook it for at least 8 to 10 minutes. Now, once the mango is cooked yet firm, at this point add 1 cup of water to get the desired consistency. More or less, the mangoes will be very soft once you add the water and cook further for another 4 to 5 minutes. And once it reach a medium thick syrupy consistency, then switch off the flame and then add 2 tablespoons of roasted masala, gently sprinkle from above, and then remove it from the flame and then let it cool it down. Once it cools down, then serve it with lunch or dinner as a side dish. The traditional way of serving raw mango chutney is at the end of a full course Bengali meal. Usually, this dish is eaten on its own or served with a few poppers along with it. Now, before serving it, again sprinkle some more roasted masala from above and 1 tablespoon of ghee to enhance its flavor a lot. And finally, if you think today's recipe is worth it, then why are you waiting for? Subscribe my channel Cooking Story and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new recipes, you get the notification first. And in this channel, you can see 2 to 3 more varieties of raw mango chutney. If needed, you can click the description box below. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.